Lashdolls lashes for over a year now. They are amazing quality lashes, but baby, they just dropped a new collection. So in the new collection, as of right now, there are only 2 lash styles in there because this was like a soft launch, trying to see the you know, the reaction from the consumers. But I got both, okay? So these are both of the styles. One is Barbie, and this other one is called Dreamy. I actually wore Dreamy yesterday just so that my video could really be thorough. So what is making this lash collection so special is that they are magnetic lashes, okay? I'm so hyped about them. So I got my 2 styles of lashes, and I got my Lashdolls by MONROE magnetic liner. So now those who have like an issue with glue is messy on them, they just don't get it right, or the glue does not really last all day, this is going to be great for you. Also good for the ones who have eyelash extensions, and when life comes at you fast, you can't get in for your fill appointment, but you don't have to glue any lashes on, and you can still go out and still look good. So what I found is 2 coats work better than 1. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on my hand first before we do it on the eyes. So that is going to be my 1 coat. I'm going to wait a few seconds and then do another. Alright, so we got our first coat on. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my 2nd coat right over top of that. So what's really cool about these lashes is that inside of the box, y'all see that dark strip right there? That is a magnet. So when you're done wearing your magnetic lashes for the day, you just put them right back in the box, and they kind of just attract right back to that strip. And this is what the eyelash looks like up close. It has 5 very little magnets attached to the strip. So now my line should be ready. I'm just going to go ahead and stick the magnets to the liner. I probably should have did this in a curve shape. That would have made it a whole lot easier, but it has grabbed on one end. Yep. So now the eyelash is just chilling on my hand. No glue. Look at this. It's just stuck there. Still stuck. So I'm going to speed through this part and throw in 2 coats of eyeliner on each eye, and I'll be right back. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. On we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to... Alright, so eyeliner is on and I'm zoomed on in. Yesterday I wore Dreamy, so today I'm going to wear Barbie for the rest of the filming that I have to do today. And so we're going to go ahead and see what Barbie is hitting on. So I have my lash, and I am just... oh, like, what? What in the world? It's so crazy. Like yesterday I was just blown away, and I'm blown away again. And look at the hold on there. So let's go ahead and throw on this second one, but you guys, this is eliminating that task of cleaning the freaking glue off of your lashes for reuse. So guys, this is Barbie. I'm going to give you guys a side view too, so you can see how far they actually go out. So yesterday I wore Dreamy. I put them on at around 11 a.m. I got home just before 4 o'clock and did not take my eyelashes off until after 9, and they were still on there. What I can say, however, is I went to go pick up my sister and I pulled one of my eyelashes off to show her, you know, how cool they were and that they stuck back. But once it was this eyelash, once I pulled that eyelash off, the bond for the magnet to the eyeliner was not as strong. So what I can say about that is either do not pull off your lash to show people, or bring the liner with you so you can go ahead and refresh your coat of eyeliner, then stick it back on. Don't just think you're about to stick it back on. It's going to be the same type of quality hold from the beginning. So that's the tea I have for y'all today. I'm going to leave the links for both of these lash styles down in the description box. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on social media at iam_nettamonroe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. Everything I do